How to draw in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Select the brush tool, then come down to the color, click into it, and then select a color of your choice for your brush, and then choose OK. Next, come up to the brush settings and change the size and the hardness to whichever you want for your projects. The size slider will increase or decrease the size of the brush, and the hardness slider will increase or decrease the hardness of the brush. Once you're done, click out of the brush and then you can start brushing with your mouse onto your canvas and it will start drawing lines like you can see here. We can change the opacity of this brush, so if we want it only to be 50%, we can do this and we will have a half opacity brush there. You can also change the flow of the brush, so if we decrease this value right here to say 25% and start drawing, we can see that that affects the flow of our brush there. We can also alter the smoothing. Let's say if we change this to 100% and then we start drawing on our canvas, we can see that it really affects how our brush works. Now if I bring this back down to its original value, we can see that it is now brushing normally again. You can also draw with symmetry in Photoshop. So this butterfly icon right here, if you click into this, let's choose vertical for example. I'm going to drag this line to this corner here. Now if I come back into my brush tool and start drawing on one side of this line, it's going to duplicate what I'm drawing on the other side of the line as well, which is great for different patterns. And there are the basics to drawing in Adobe Photoshop.